Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be carrying out a couple of upgrades to my studio room. I'm going to be fitting a new black backdrop for filming, a semi-permanent black backdrop which I can move out the road when I'm not using it, but it'll be on a rail and then I can kind of slide it back in when I need it. Hopefully with a little bit of help from Mrs. Mac and her sewing machine. And I've also built some timber panels to block up the window. These serve a couple of purposes really. It's to kind of stop sound getting in and out of the room, but it's also to block the light as well. It's a bit problematic having any sort of variable light coming into a room while you're trying to film, so it's easier to just block the window up completely and rely on the studio lighting. So, time to crack on. Welcome to Andy Mac Drums. welcome to Andy Mac Drums.